guys, it's me, Rai Scratch Coding One. So today I'm going to scratch and coding how to make it a translate app. Delete. Then here put your own colors. I'm going with the black. I don't like black, but I like silver more. And just marker. But it's so cool, but I don't like that. But I don't like that. Then translate into whatever language you like. I like Arabic. That I learned Arabic in my school as a language, as a third language. That's that's looking pretty cool. I'll go to this. What you want to translate? You just can't just show. You can also talk. Answer. You need this. Then open like this. First of all, like this. Answer. Then second of all, this. Answer here. Then are we done? No, we're not done. Actually, don't forget to open this extension in this. Here's it. Text to speech translate into many languages. This much. Arabic. Arabic. Okay. Now you have to make subscribe to Rahi Scratch Coding One. Then we'll say it in Arabic.
Ishtarakasi Barnamajira is Scratch Coding 1.
So simple. Then if you that I forgot to tell here, if you want what language you want to translate, you could. Now what say what language? And I click. Hey, come.
Assalamu alaikum.
What? Okay. What about hi? In Arabic, it must be Assalamu alaikum, right?
Marhaban.
Marhaban. What kind is this? But you got it. A simple translate app. app. So bye bye.